Welcome back to part 5 of our masterclass. We've talked about the why and the what. Now we're getting into the how. I'm going to show you exactly how simple it is to secure your legacy in just 3 steps. Most people think estate planning takes weeks of meetings and thousands in legal fees, but at WBG we move smarter. We've condensed the entire process into a simple online journey that respects your time. In our previous lessons, we saw what's at stake. Today, I'm giving you the roadmap to victory. 3 steps. That's all it takes to go from guessing to protected. Let's break down step 1. Step 1. You answer guided questions about your family, your assets, and your wishes, all online. It's a simple, intuitive process designed to capture the unique details of your life. No legal degree required. And don't worry about finishing in one sitting. You can save and exit anytime. Your progress is never lost. We know you're building a business and raising a family. We've made this process fit your life, not the other way around. Step 2. Easy Will and Trust takes your answers and generates your personalized state-compliant documents. These aren't generic forms. They are tailored to your specific goals and the laws of your state. Professional grade, instantly. For those who want that extra layer of security, optional attorney review is available. It's that final grandmaster check to give you total peace of mind that every T is crossed and every I is dotted. Step 3. Download, print, sign, and notarize. Once you've reviewed your documents, you print them out and make them official. Just like that, your estate plan is complete. No more guessing, no more crisis, just protection. Take a look at the process. It's simple, it's fast, and it's effective. Done in minutes, protected for life. This is the move smarter approach to estate planning that your family deserves. Your legacy starts with action. Don't let another day go by without this shield in place. Visit the referral link on your screen and take step 1 today. Your future self and your family will thank you for it. To recap, 3 simple steps. Guided questions, personalized generation, and finalization. It's the fastest way to go from a potential crisis to total family security. In part 6, you don't have to take my word for it. We're looking at the stories of real families who chose to act and found real peace of mind. I'll see you in the next one.